I'm at the trailhead for Angel's Landing. Everyone keeps telling me this is a scary hike. So not only would you slide off here, but you'd hit cactuses on the way down, and then you'd hit a rock. That's mean. So I messed up real bad. I'm on the wrong trail. All right, so that's a sign I didn't pay attention to. The trail is just all ice. Surprisingly hard. That sounds cool. Someone told me they call this part of the trail the refrigerator because it's definitely colder. There's only this little packet of soy sauce in the door, just like mine. This is the infamous part where you need chains. Kind of hope this is the way. Jesus, I didn't know this was what I was doing. Am I going up there? I think I have to go all the way up that thing. That's nuts. I don't think I'm doing that. Almost there. It's not that bad. And just if you fall, you'll smash on the ground. So how was it? I think we're the only ones up here.
Yes,
They say I'm very observant. Well, it's official. I'm up here on Angel's Landing in Zion National Park in Utah by myself. It started late because it went the wrong way. Now it's also cold and it's snowing. Why did I come up here? I don't know. You know how I could tell it's cold? So the snow does not make anything wet. All right, time to go. You can see how far down that goes. I don't know who in their right mind would come up here without spikes. I've seen a ton of people. Jeez, I mean, even with spikes, it's slippery. Now that it's snowed, I'm not sure where the trail is. I'm just gonna assume it's this way. For the record, I did not think I'd be going to the top of that thing. I would have been happy with just this, but then I saw people coming down from up there, so I'm like going against the chains and stuff, and I was like, all right, I got to go up there because I had to get a permit for this, so I've got to go to the top. Oddly enough, the top was just like this, and you can't even really see that much anyway. I guess that's why I'm the only one up here. But no, you know what? It's peaceful. It's nice and quiet. You have to appreciate nature. I just wish nature was warmer and it wasn't snowing and foggy. But nature tastes good. I should have made a snowman up there. That would have been funny. I mean, although it is scarier in the winter, it is nice because you have the whole place to yourself. Had I been 100% alone on this mountain, I probably would have thought that I was pretty hardcore for doing that. However, I did see a father with his baby in his backpack coming down with his 10 and I'm gonna guess 9-year-old kids. They did it too. Maybe he was irresponsible, but those kids are gonna be some tough kids when they grow up. Back at the entrance